Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Becoming Proactive with Soumya Agarwal. So this is the video number 2 for your chapter number 8 analytical procedure, or you can say your essay number 520 detailed explanation video number 2. So yesterday we have discussed the meaning of analytical procedure. That was just the introduction. Now we are discussing what all is included in analytical procedures. So, analytical procedure includes consideration of comparison of entities' financial information as well as consideration of relationships. There are two things in analytical procedure. First is your consideration of comparison of entities financial information, and second is the consideration of relationships. हम इसमें दो बातें करते हैं. एक तो हम कंपेयर करते हैं, फिर हम क्या निकालते हैं, रिलेशन. Like suppose in last example which I gave you was about the movies and the festivals, the release of movies and festivals. तो उसमें क्या था, what was there? It was that we were comparing the trend, the income of movies, and we were comparing the trend of movies during the period of festival. And also what we were doing, we were making a relationship that in the time of festivals, जब दिवाली या ईद होता है, there is a increase in income of movie revenue. Okay, there is increase in movies revenue. Okay, so this was what we concluded from the last example which we discussed. हम लोगों ने क्या निकाला था, हमने एक तो उन दोनों को कंपेयर किया था, फेस्टिवल्स के ट्रेंड को एंड मूवीज़ के रेवेन्यू को, एंड फिर हम लोगों ने क्या रिलेशन निकाला था कि फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे मूवीज़ का रेवेन्यू ज़्यादा होता है. सिमिलरली ऑन संडेज, ऑन वीकेंड्स ऑल्सो द income from theaters is high because most of the people go to theaters and watch the movies. So this is what we are, first of all we are doing the comparison, and then we are estimating out, we are concluding out, and we are making out some relationship between the two. So similarly, while auditing, what do? We compare information for prior periods. Like आज की जो information है, we are comparing the information current year's information with the prior period's information. Like suppose we are comparing today's information with the information of last year. Also we compare actual records with budgets or expectations, and also we compare similar industry information. While making comparisons, what do? We compare like what is the profit in the current year and what was the profit in last year. हम लोग comparison करते हैं कि इस साल क्या profit था, last year क्या profit था, what was our expectation or what was the anticipated result, and what is the actual result. Okay, also we compare two industries, similar industries, like in movies only, you can say the same industry information. Like movies only, there is a competition between Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, so they belong to the same industry, they belong to the movies, the Bollywood. Okay, but still we are comparing. So what do? In analytical procedure, first thing that we do is comparison of prior periods, here it means comparison of current year's information with the prior period's information, comparison of actual records with the budgets, and comparison of similar industry information. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. हम लोग इसमें कंपैरिजन करते हैं, लाइक इस साल की हम लोगों ने पुराने साल से किया, इस साल का प्रॉफिट पिछले साल के प्रॉफिट से ज़्यादा है या कम है. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने क्या एस्टिमेट किया था, इनका एक्चुअली आया है. एंड सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री इन्फॉर्मेशन, मतलब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन एक ही इंडस्ट्री को बिलोंग करती है, लाइक बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री को शाहरुख एंड सलमान बिलोंग करते हैं, तो उन दोनों में क्या है. सो बेसिकली हियर व्हाट आर वी डूइंग, वी आर building relationships between financial and financial information. We are comparing financial information with the financial information. Okay, next thing we do is consideration of relationships. After doing the comparison, we make out some relationships. So elements that would be expected to confirm a predictable pattern. The spelling of confirm should be CONFIRM. Please correct it if you are copying my notes. So elements that would be expected to confirm a predictable pattern, मतलब एक predictable pattern को estimate करने के लिए क्या elements होंगे. Like suppose on the basis of experience we are estimating the gross profit margin. Like what happens is when industry, or you can say when a business is for a longer time, सो you gain experience. जब आपका business एक लंबे टाइम से चलता है, you are able to gain some experience out of it. So what do? We just develop a trend कि हमारा जो rate है, the growth, the rate at which our business is growing is with this particular pattern. So what do? On the basis of experience, what do? We develop a GP margin. Okay. So what are they saying? Elements that would be expected to confirm a predictable pattern. We tend to develop a GP margin, and according to that expectation, what do? We do the operations of business. Like suppose आप लोग अपने experience के basis पे, if you are expecting कि दिवाली के टाइम पे हमारा इतना सेल होगा एंड इतना प्रॉफिट आ जाएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेसिस ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, यू आर estimating a GP margin, and according to that what you are doing, you are making a predictable pattern, and आप लोग फिर उस अकॉर्डिंग ऑपरेशंस कर रहे हो. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज between financial and non-financial data such as payroll, cost to number of employees. So what do? We make relationships between financial to financial data also, and between financial to non-financial data also. Like suppose पेरोल कॉस्ट टू नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़. व्हाट इज़ द पेरोल कॉस्ट एज पर नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़? हम लोग इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग कंपेयर कर रहे हैं और फिर रिलेशनशिप्स बना रहे हैं. लाइक ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हम लोगों ने जीपी मार्जिन एस्टिमेट किया, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ हम लोगों ने पेरोल कॉस्ट एस्टिमेट करी. सो वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग रिलेशनशिप्स. ओके, सो आई एम कंक्लूडिंग दिस इन इंग्लिश. We are just developing relationships, like suppose on the basis of experience, like suppose we experienced in the last few years that in the days of Deepavali, the sale of the sweet shops was at the highest. So what will we do? We will arrange our raw material in that way so that we are able to produce as much as required to the public, and in that way we will be able to earn that particular GP pattern. So these patterns help you to grow. Okay, so you build a particular pattern your experience, and when you are comparing, GP margin is financial data and experience is your non-financial data. So you are comparing, and then you are making some relationship, and because of that relationship you are working for that. So this is what your analytical procedure meaning is. So let us just read out full meaning. Evaluation of financial information through analysis of plausible relationship among both financial and non-financial data, and it includes consideration of comparison of entities' financial information as well as consideration of relationship. So first we compare and then we make relationship. Then the next is your purpose and timing of analytical procedures. What is the reason and what are the timings of analytical procedure? So we will discuss it in the next part, in the part number 3.